Hello friends and welcome to Dumb Ducks presented by Ember Films India. I'm Yogesh here, not your host nor your dost, but one of you who are today celebrating the 7th anniversary of the 2611 attacks. Talking about the attacks, I have come with some commonly seen bravery acts of us humans that we tend to do when we see a terrorist with a gun. First, changing the profile picture on all social media sites. Now, whenever there is any act of inhumanness or violence, youth in the state protest with a heavy sacrifice. Adding the ill-colored combination filters to their most loved profile pictures is one of the billion great sacrifice and bravery acts that they do. Wow. No matter if they know the act or not. हाँ भाई, हाँ वो फेसबुक प्रोफाइल पिक्चर बदल दिया है वो सपोर्ट दिखाने के लिए. हाँ भाई, हाँ कितने टेररिस्ट मर गए फिर. अच्छा. Truly brave and intelligent youth. 2. Making a rumor a breaking news. Because the cinema today is failing to give us the emotional touch, the makers of the breaking news are coming up with sensational ideas to give rise to our emotional sentiments. And for this, the makers of the breaking news will walk on any fiery stones to bring us such an idea. ये क्या है? This is crap. अरे 4 आतंकवादी और 7 लोग मारे गए सिर्फ. आजकल लोग भी केले डजन से ज्यादा खाते हैं. Make it dozen, make it 12. मुझे इमोशंस चाहिए, इमोशंस. सेंसेशनल न्यूज शुड बी फ्रॉम अस. बड़े खेद के साथ हमें यह कहना पड़ रहा है कि 12 लोगों की जानें जा चुकी है इस टेररिस्ट अटैक में. 12 लोग. हमारे संवाददाता खोटे सिंह मौजूद है हर पल हमारे साथ हमें सही खबर देने के लिए. Truly sensational. 3. Burning a 5 rupee worth candle. Now, according to a research analysis, people tend to spend more of their 2% income to protest with burning candles. Wow. 2% of each individual into the world population. Quite a lot money, huh? Hello? Hello, Alpha Beta Gamma? Alpha Beta Gamma? हाँ बोलो मामा. हाँ वो बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं कैंडल लेके प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. क्या कर दे? सरेंडर कर दे. हेलो हेलो. And the terrorists be like, हमें माफ कर दो, हमारी गलती हो गई, दोबारा नहीं करेंगे. So what do we think by doing such acts? Will the inhumans surrender themselves? Will there be no terror? The answer is no. Changing profile picture won't help. It will just raise the likes on it. Do not create an inhuman celebrity by doing such things. This powers the inhumans to reach wide. Perhaps we are helping them to send and receive their messages. Condemn this by thoughts, not by pictures. To the breaking news makers, you are not there to create, nor to frighten the civilian sentiments. You are there to raise them up in courage and make us fight back. To the people again, burning a candle won't help. It will just give away 1,000 kilo melt wax. It will help if we spend that 2% of our income to give away to someone who is in need to get healed from the injuries he had suffered. To the terrorists, we are not afraid of your terror because we believe there is a light in the darkest of the corners. You may hit us with a bullet, but our ideas are bulletproof. They can't be damaged so easily. Your bullets can run out, but our ideas are infinite and immortal. So after a healthy brainwashing session, I am taking a leave from you folks. If you have enjoyed this video of Dumb Ducks, please like it, comment on it, and most importantly share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to Ember Films India. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you.